You're all aware that last week a special parliament session was held, which was announced on the 30th of August. Incidentally, it was the India Bloc meeting in Bombay around that time, around the same time. Was it a mere coincidence? Or was this special, rather mysterious parliamentary session being called to manage the headlines? Or is it another election event management tactic by the BJP, which it is an expert at? That is exactly what we'll be talking about today, and that is what every citizen of the country must be talking about today. And the Congress will leave no stone unturned in triggering that dialogue amongst every nook and corner, every community of the Indian population. I was reminded while I was researching for my today's address, while I was delving deep into the women issues, the equality issues, I came across these very powerful words of Ms. Sarojini Naidu, who you know was one of the freedom fighters from the Congress, the first woman governor, one of the women presidents of the Congress party. Sarojini Naidu had said, and I quote, "When there is oppression, the only self-respecting thing is to rise and say, 'This shall cease today, because my right is justice.'" With those words of Sarojini Naidu's, I must reiterate what the BJP has told the women of our country. Wait. Wait to enjoy your rights. Wait to enjoy your rights that you were born with. You were born equal, but you wait. Because we would not let you have it any other way. Wait was, in one word, the very agenda of the last week's parliament session, the mysterious parliamentary session. The BJP's message to the women of India is very clear in there. Under the BJP regime, we, the women of India, are being compelled to walk on the eggshells every now and then. In 1989, this fight was started by Shri Rajiv Gandhi. When the BJP came to the power in 2014, wielding massive power, so massive that they came with the slogan of maximum governance, minimum government. Minimum government, maximum governance. That was the slogan that the BJP came with. However, we now know all the portfolios have been filled, no more minimum governance. But no more minimum government, but minimum governance too. They came with so much power, they call themselves a double-engine government. They wield all the power to have imposed the draconian laws, the draconian farm laws on this country from the back door amidst COVID, when you and your people were gasping for oxygen, when people did not find the quintessential 6 yards to organize funerals of their loved ones, when drugs like Remdesivir was creating anxiety amongst the people. There was the Modi government.